Alright, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Nisha Babii. Back at it again with some hair content. And this is lock content. If you're new to my channel, hey boo, welcome to the channel. I appreciate you coming. And if you're a ride or die, what's up, Foulé? Thank you for coming back. Y'all already know the vibes. So this is what my hair looks like. Now that I've washed it, my scalp is very clean. It's not itchy at all right here anymore. And again, if you didn't really get a good close-up, here is another view of what I used on my scalp. All the ingredients are really good for your scalp, and I just wanted to promote hair growth, you know, while starting my lock journey, and I wanted to make sure it was nice and clean. So before I actually washed my hair, and I didn't film this, I don't know why I was in a funk, but I'm gonna tell y'all what I did. I got this water bottle. It's a regular spray water bottle. You pay like 99 cents. And I put some distilled water in here as well as Himalaya salt. So here is the pink Himalaya salt that I used on my hair. And the reason I use this is because I'm pretty sure you already know her. There is a YouTuber that is on here. She dope as hell, and her name is WestIndieRay, and she has locks. She had this method to spray your hair with salt water with this concoction just to get it to lock faster. Now I am embracing the journey, but I do want to see my results. You know, I would love to see them around my birthday, which is March. Pisces, if y'all haven't noticed already, Pisces gang. But yes, I just wanted to make sure my hair was at least locking somewhat in Pisces or budding. So I sprayed this in my hair and I let it sit for an hour and did some spiritual work and, you know, just self-love, working on myself in the bath. And after that, what you all saw on the camera is what I did. So what I'm gonna do now is use this continuous spray bottle, which I love, on my hair. This is what I use every day, and what is in it is aloe vera juice. I got this from Amazon. It was delivered to my house within, I think, 1 or 2 days. And some organic Bulgarian rose water. I found this from another YouTuber. I can't remember her name. I kind of just came across her video. But if I remember it, I'll definitely link it in the description below, as well as WestIndieRay. So I have these two products in my continuous spray bottle along with distilled water. So it's running a little low, but I'm gonna use the rest of this. And what I'm gonna do is show you all what I do every day. If you follow me on YouTube and Instagram, you would have seen this method already, but this is gonna be more detailed as to what I do. So you see how you just spray it, and you just spray it once while it continuously spray, hence continuous spray bottle. You don't have to get your hair super drenched, but I like for mine to have a lot of this on here because I really want to seal in the moisture. My hair shrinks a lot, so I just want it to be really have all the moisture that it can get. So once I spray that in, I kind of just go like this and pat it in there all around like so. And then I go in with my organic rose oil. This is the rose oil I use. You get a better look up close and personal. They have this on Amazon as well as Target, okay? And you see the nice little rose petals at the bottom. I love it. So yes, I just get a little bit of this and I squeeze it like this. And I go in sections, rub together. I usually start by grabbing at the ends and working my way up. And once I've gotten all the sections, I hit hit everything one more time, like so. All right, so every night before I go to bed, and this is a trick I learned from my mother-in-law, I get some aloe and I rub it on my face, and then I've recently started to rub it on my edges like this. So I'm gonna grab that, cut it, and I'm gonna get it, and then I'll let you all see. All right, as promised, I'm back with my aloe. I freshly cut it so it's nice and gooey, that goo we like. So what I do is I cut it in half like this, and I peel it off. So I take one, I put it in my face, like so. My face has been acting a little crazy, as you all see, it's no secret. So I just want to make sure it's good to go. And then once I've done that, I just rub it in like so. And then I get the other half because I want that goo on my hair, my edges, and I just go like this. Now my edges are usually laid, and I do lay them, but I want to make sure that as my starter locks, my baby locks grow, my edges are growing as well, strong and healthy. And I only put it on my edges. Some people retwist with gel, aloe vera gel, and I may do that with this retwist coming up. I'm not sure. I'll see. But whatever I do, y'all will be the first to know. And that's it. I usually just take the rest, and what I do to get that gooey consistent is I'll slice it with my nail like that, and I just put it wherever. I have it burned, like burnt myself a while back, so I just put it on that. I'll put it on my son's foot because he has a little burn. You know, wherever I have a little burn or dark marks or something that I'm trying to perfect, I just rub it on there. But if y'all want a more detailed video for that, let me know in the comment section below. But thank you all so much for sticking with your girl to the end of the video. As promised, I gave you all what I said I would, and please let me know in the comment section how you feel about my lock journey. Are you starting locks? If so, what was the method you chose? Was it 2-strand twist? Was it the coil method? Or did you jump right into locking your hair with human hair locks? Let me know, because your girl want to know. And as I continue this journey, if you have any tips and tricks or any products that you used, please put that information in the comment section below. And before I go, I just want to say thank you so much for all my new subscribers. I see my channel has been growing even when I was not present, so I really do appreciate all the love and support. And before I go, y'all already know, I'm gonna need for y'all to hit that subscribe button and ding that bell so you're not left behind, boo, because you don't want to be in the rear, okay? You don't want to be back there. You want to be up here with me getting this tea and this knowledge when I drop it. All right, I'll see y'all till next time. Bye.